It is a converter exception. It's okay where I'm in, seeing the first, I'm storing the custom property 26. It reconciliation failed. Okay. Or after that the customer can resist. So objectivity after mentioning I was mentioning is a binary. Okay. So I believe I am missing the data type for this objectivity, or a city. That might not my weight is. That is why it is coming. So objects already has mentioned as a binary. And it is already there. So reconciliation field I am mentioning as a double core. Customer for the 26. And after comma customer body 26 only. Trying as a object. You are in buying binary. So if I assume currently that is a cross line happening. So objects ready by now. You should come later. Maybe condom X. Man first give me reconciliation phases, custom property 26. I generally considers in customer with 26 comma, then customer with the 26 acting as a object. You already binary. Objects ready. Right binary has been okay. So this is how I am mentioned. Let me see how they have defined here. So after that reboot they are giving comma right. So one attribute. Maybe let me see this name. Okay, string comma. Created on this is comma at this is comma. Somewhere here I missed the comma, I believe. So custom property 26. This is one attribute. Right status, user account control. Account number. Okay. So this sequence is in field which is coming right here. This is the problem. It should be a comma should be there. And this attribute shouldn't be there. So I mentioned reconciliation field no. Okay. This is a single attribute, right here. You are correct, only so the reconciliation field. After that count 26 comma and from here custom property 26. I'm mentioning object ready as a binary. So there is a misplaced over here. Now I think it is correct. Only status double colon. User account type is number. Reconciliation field, double colon as a control, custom property 26 and custom property to see double colon as a by object origin as a binary. Okay. Now, if I try this, all only typo. That's why it is always referred to the copy-paste instead of, typing anything. If we keep on typing, a lot of error will occur. Even the small capital spelling also make a problem. That's why, while copying the sample, we shouldn't type anything. What else hello fish will come? Let me search this. Hopefully this time. Hopefully this time it should come. Let's see. Okay, let me grab the log. Okay. And directly go to the log, instead of checking the pending task. Okay. If I go here it is telling, like total equal process, you want as usual. Okay. If we scroll down. Oh, still the error is there. Some character is missing at character 0 of what girl comes and passes and passing. Some error there in the OK. Now the error is different or not the same money. Distinguish, scene equal to January. Scene equal to DC equal to come to sequel to save. OK. Result 1. So this exit phase attribute of the error in either this exception. Exception, passing Jason. OK so. Missing the elevator character 0. This, Jason has a mistake. I believe OK. That is what is telling. If I copy it properly. OK. Let me put it and let's see where I'm doing the mistake. Somewhere it is missing actually. OK. We've been. This way, we cannot tend to know. You have to, just make it a proper alignment. Then only we can get to know where we are missing. I'm a missing any comma or anything. Okay, it will catch up easily. Okay. Now, there is no error in the Jason, like object ready, but some character. It is missing. Passing the Jason. So this is your hand. And what we missed. The constellation field is custom proper. 2626 is object, GYD binary. Okay. This is your end. And this is your start. Company is class. Okay, has a string. Okay. I think all is there, then why this error is coming when removing only? Somewhere it is missing something. If I look at the Jason. Okay. There is no nothing.